Master the science-backed techniques that will transform your learning and boost your academic performance. Effective studying isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter using proven techniques. Active recall is the most powerful study technique backed by cognitive science. Instead of passively rereading your notes, actively test yourself on the material. Research shows active recall is 3 times more effective than passive reading for long-term retention. You can use flashcards, practice questions, or even teach the material to someone else to engage active recall. Spaced repetition helps you fight the forgetting curve and retain information long-term. The forgetting curve shows we lose information rapidly, but reviewing at increasing intervals strengthens memory. A simple schedule. Review after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days, then 14 days. The Pomodoro technique uses timed intervals to maximize focus and prevent burnout. Work in focused 25-minute blocks called Pomodoros, with no distractions allowed. Work for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Repeat this 4 times, then take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. This rhythm helps maintain peak mental performance throughout your study session. Interleaving means mixing different subjects or topics rather than studying one thing for hours. Traditional blocked practice means studying one topic repeatedly. Interleaving mixes topics, which research shows leads to better long-term learning and transfer. This forces your brain to discriminate between concepts and make deeper connections. The Feynman technique ensures you truly understand by teaching concepts in simple terms. Choose a topic, explain it simply as if teaching a child, identify gaps in your understanding, then review and simplify further. As Einstein said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't truly understand it well enough. Your study environment dramatically affects your focus and retention. Remove all distractions by putting away your phone, blocking social media, and turning off notifications. Create a clean, organized space with good lighting and minimal clutter to optimize focus. Don't underestimate the importance of good lighting, comfortable temperature, and proper posture. Sleep and breaks aren't luxuries. They're essential for memory consolidation. Your brain processes and consolidates information during sleep, making it crucial for learning. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, especially the night before exams. Take regular breaks during study sessions to prevent mental fatigue and maintain performance. Let's put it all together into an actionable study plan. Combine active recall with spaced repetition, use Pomodoro blocks for focus, and prioritize quality sleep. Make active recall and spaced repetition your foundation techniques. Structure your study time using Pomodoro blocks for maximum focus. Optimize your study environment and never compromise on sleep. Start with 1 or 2 techniques, build them into habits, and most importantly, stay consistent over time.